Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save pictures on Snapchat. So all you need to do is to follow these simple steps and make sure to watch the video to the end so you can learn how to save pictures on Snapchat. So first, I'm just going to connect to my video or Snapchat app, and after that, you will need just to take any picture, and basically, to take any picture, you will find or you will see this recording picture or anything. And here you will find edit and send. And basically, either you can click on send to, so either you can send to other people or to anyone, or you can have here this download snapshot would like to access your photos. So you need just to give the access to your snapshot to access your gallery or your picture, so it can be able to save this picture on your gallery. So basically, I will just allow access to all picture, and as you can see, I have one snap that has been saved. So if you go to your picture saved or your saved picture, you will have this snap that you have just taken and saved as follow. Here you will have it on your gallery here. And of course, for each post, you can have any other editings like adding some text. You can have anything here and add text. You can like draw, and even with all the modification, you can still be able to save this snap. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.